Yo, what's up guys? I'm gonna be opening some fidgets that just came in right now. Got a new jumbo poppet. So let's open this. Guys, please like and subscribe because this to get things that does cost money, and I try to make good content for y'all. I'm trying to use both my hands, but still record good. Whoa. So good. I love this. Guys, I love this jumbo poppet. This is the best jumbo puppet I've ever seen. I love it. Okay, here's the package that just came in. I got it from Fidget Toys. That helps relieve stress. I'm trying to unzip it. Okay, I unzipped it. Or I just zipped it. I'm not sure now. Oh, I unzipped it. Okay. Okay, let's see what I get first. Ooh, I got a pea popper, guys. I got a pea popper, guys. It's so cool. Okay, let's put that to the side. A wacky track. Hey, my wacky track.
Hey, Madison, please leave stuff. Avita's here. Homework. Finish it really quick.
Oh, there goes your video.
Now.
Guys, I still have school, so yeah, I have to do homework. But I'm trying to make this video quick, that's why. But this is a wacky track. I also got this wacky track. And look at this. Guys, I got this. Be right back, guys. What's that? Sorry. Okay, let me open it really quick. I'm so sorry. Okay, I did it. I don't really like the pops. It's really hard to push, but still pretty good. Wait! I'm getting my stuff out.
Matt,
I'm getting my stuff out. I'm getting my stuff out.
3,
Oh.
2.
Okay, guys. I'll edit this and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Remember, we were on this. Since I had to finish doing my homework. But this is the other fidget in the fidget pack. This is what's here. Kind of like it. Oh, I really like that big pop. Ooh, I like this one. And also, since it's also my favorite color, and it's so cool, fun to pop it. I love this. I absolutely love this. I really love this dimple. Now let's see what else we get. Oh, and guys, I remember seeing this, what's it called? I forgot what it's called. An infinity cube, and I've always wanted one, so I'm saving that for last, guys. This is so small and adorable. Look at the other one I have. It's way bigger. Y'all can tell by the size comparison, right? It's so small and adorable. Okay, let's open it. I gotta open it. How do you open this? I'm sorry, I'm having it like this. But guys, I gotta admit, the wacky track is amazing. I'm trying to figure out how to open this one though. Okay guys, I did it. the fact is, I love the pop, and it's so adorable since it's also so small. And I like how it has like numbers and on it. So that was that. Oh, I see a bike chain. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, guys, there's another one. Like this one that we also unwrapped. Also we got this from this. Wait, let me open it. It's so hard to open these. So I have to like put down my phone, and then it ruins the camera. Well, let's see if this one has better. Oh, this has definitely better pops. Yeah, this one's way better compared to this one. It pops on this side is so hard. Like it hurts to pop it. But I really like this one. Besides, the colors are really good. I like the color. But I can't get over this one. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, guys. Wait. I'm gonna grab my Simple Dimple I've had for a while now. This is also my Simple Dimple I have. I really like its pops. So yeah, these are all the dimples I got so far. Wait, oh, that's the infinity. Saving it for last. No way, marble and mesh. So satisfying for some odd reason. Ooh, I like this one a lot. I like feeling also the fiber. Oh, 3 multiple meshes. I'm speaking in some kind of bird. A snapper. No way. Guys, we got a snapper. I can't believe I got a snapper. Sorry for putting my phone down, but it's so hard to record. It's so good. I love it. Ooh. It's a triple dimple! No way. I know these. I don't know its name. I forgot its name. But ooh, does it feel good, alright. Ooh, I like touching it. Ooh, we got another one. We got another one. We got 3. Only one of them is different. We also got a bike chain. Whoa. It's kind of confusing. Oh, we got a couple more, guys. Oh, I didn't know we had more of these weird things. I forgot their names. But they're so nice to feel. Okay, all that's left is the infinity cube and the triple dimple. Let's open the triple dimple. Okay. I love it. I love the triple dimple. It's honestly almost my favorite dimple. One of the dimples, but I can't get over the wacky track. so obsessing. But guys, the thing y'all all been waiting for. Oh wait. Right back, guys. I'm gonna put all my fidgets, except for my homemade, this on the pile. Sorry about that. But for the thing we've all been waiting for, the infinity cube. I've always wanted an infinity cube, guys. So hard to open this. Oh, guys, it's out. Whoa. Wait, huh? What? It's so cool and satisfying. For some odd reason, I've always wanted an infinity cube. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, guys, I'm gonna play with it for a while with two hands because I really want to try it out. I'll put you right here for a second. Okay, that was pretty fun. Like, here are all the fidgets I have in my collection. I have this. I have this. I have the infinity cube. We have marble and mesh. We got my good puppet. We got a yellow puppet, which is its pops is amazing. We got a wacky track. Just doing a re-show of the fidgets, except for my homemade. I'm obsessed with these. And we got this. I don't even know why you do this when you can just touch it. So good to just touch these things. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with these. You hear also that sound? Rubbing them together. So satisfying. Then, simple dump. And then, oh, can't get over this one. This one. But this one's kind of confusing. The bite chain, because it keeps on going in a circle. It's so satisfying at the same time. And it's so stress relieving. All these ribbons. Mostly the wacky track. Oh, also the other wacky track. I really like this one's color though. A lot more. Then we got my mini puppet. Then we got this. Then we got the good one. Then we got the snapper. And then another one. And then we got a pea popper. Look at that cute face. So adorable. And then we got my blue poppet. And then the one we've also been waiting for. The jumbo poppet. The jumbo poppet. Oh, I love this one's pops. Oh, I can't get over this. I love all the fidgets I got, guys. And I hope you enjoyed. Please also like and subscribe to this channel. And hit that post notification so when I upload a video, y'all know, because I don't, yeah, as y'all know, y'all people who watch the most of my videos, y'all know I don't upload a lot. But extremely now, since I have school, which makes things more stressful, because as you also heard, I have homework. It's so hard, but I just knew I had to make a video on how I ordered these fidgets. But I'm obsessed with them all. I really love them all. Like, I can't get over this. And my favorite, well, second favorite. So satisfying. I can't get over the wacky track. But let me finish the jumbo pops on both sides. Then that's when I'm gonna end the video. Well, that's the end of the video. I finished popping, and I've used all the fidgets I have, except for my homemade, of course. I'm not gonna show you them, since they're not really, a part of this, but, yeah. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe again, because I'm really happy that I have 3 subscribers. It's just, I really want to have like 10 subscribers. If we can get to that goal, I will be happy. So happy, guys. I'll still post even though if I hit 10 subscribers, it's not a lot, but it's my goal. But that's the end of this video. So, yeah. Bye, guys!